There you are now. Been a while, hasn't it? Apologies. Well, you know, Easter holidays, kids off school, all that stuff. Somebody asked me to do the second part of this entirely morning. I went, you fool! It's done already. Check the content. No, it's not. It's not done. And funny enough, the call came from inside the house. It's my son Joe, who's 13, and he's got ASD. You know, he's one of these people that can just pick up stuff real quick. So he's been mad about Rush. We're going to see Rush in Hamburg next year, and well, new Rush, you know, Rush. But he's mad about Rush at the minute, and he said, "Will you do the second part of this?" And there, one I said, "It's done. It's up there." And he goes, "No." And of course, he's one of these people that knows his way around all the tech stuff. And he goes, "Look, you haven't done it." I hadn't done it. I thought I did it. So let's do it, right? There mightn't be a huge amount of views on this, but for sake of completion, we'll do it. So there are parts of it which are keyboard and Geddy playing with his feet, but we're going to play them as bass because what else are you going to do, you know? So let's get started. First thing I'm going to show you is this bit, you know. I don't know where I stopped, so all that. And then sorry for the rattles now, that's because this thing's picking up. So that's just F, G, F. So first fret on the E string to the third fret on the E string. Again, it's a keyboard, and you could play it up here with an octaver if you wanted. That's not my normal pedal, so. So first fret on the E to the third fret on the E. And the same again. And this time 2. And then we're going to get into our chorus. So let's play along to a bit of the chorus and I'll show you. And again, I can't show you too much of the chorus because you get like a copyright strike and demonetized. And like, I really need that €20 a month. Right, let's do it. All right, so after our pre-chorus bit, which is... Don't forget, this thing is going to pick up the bass and make it very rattly. You get all that. If you turn this thing off, it doesn't. So we're going to go to the 5th fret. I'll play what he's playing slowly, right? So it's 1. That's the bit we're going to concentrate on. So 5th fret on the A string, and we're going to 1 and 2 and 3 and that brings us up to the 3rd fret on the D string and back down to the 5th fret on the A string. So 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. The next part is, and this is all the same rhythm, okay? 2nd fret on the D string to the 3rd fret on the A string. Right? So essentially what you have is 2 chords. So 1 and 2 and 3. Okay? But we're doing the same shapes, but we're coming back up. So it's... Right, so if you want me to slow that down for you, I can. We go D, so 5th fret on the A string gives us a D. To the 3rd fret on the D and back down. 2nd fret on the D to the 3rd fret on the A. 2nd fret on the D to the 3rd fret on the A. Slide up to the 3rd fret on the D to the 5th fret on the A. Okay, so just do that bit slow. And now there's a little riff that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to stop here. Do that sound. Alright, so after we did that, next note is a C. So basically I play it slow. It goes. Got that bit. Okay. So what that is that little riff is, it's the 3rd fret on the A, open A, to the 1st fret on the E, slide up to the 3rd fret on the E, open A, back to the 3rd fret on the E, open A, 3rd fret on the A, to the 5th fret on the A. So we'll do it slow. So we'll do that one more time. So start on the 5th fret on the A string, gives you the D, you know. 3rd fret on the A, open fret, open A string. 1st fret gives you an F. Slide up to the 3rd fret, open A, 3rd fret again on the E, open A, 3rd fret on the A, and back up, and you do it again. So also, the world weighs on my shoulders, but what am I to do? You sometimes drive me crazy, but I worry about you. I can't do it and sing. I know it makes no difference to what you're going through, but it seems the tip of the iceberg. Now this bit is different. Open A, 3rd fret on the A, and you slide that up back to an open A. So he goes, and it kind of gives that kind of rocky feel, right? So just slowly. You see the string moving on the screen. So let's do the chorus slow all the way through. You ready? But I see the tip of the iceberg. Are you back in? Actually, as we go along, I'll be hearing little things that I want to explain to you. That's one little variation where he goes, instead of going, that one is, so it's the same as what we did before, but instead of going, he's going F, E, and a D. So 1st fret on the E string, open E string, 5th fret on the A string. So it's a, there you go. All right, let's move on. As I come across them, I'll do them, okay? Okay, that little bit is 256 there or thereabouts, and it's the little bit that brings us into the kind of guitar part solo thing. So it's just a little variation again. So open A there, right? And then he takes the opportunity of that open string to go to 3rd fret on the D, 5th fret on the D, 2nd fret on the A, 5th fret on the D, 3rd fret on the D, 2nd fret on the D, and back to the 5th fret on the A. So you get. Then we have that, all that stuff. There's loads of little bits like this, and either you care about them or you don't, but I'll do as many as I can. Right, so that bit again. Sorry. Let's get that bit done. So that bit, I know it sounds mad and fast and scary, but it's really not. Like, so what he's doing is, we know that bit from before, but just in case, 5th fret on the A string, 1, 3rd fret on the D string, 5th fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D string, 3rd fret on the D string. All he's doing is, there's 2 notes there. And then he slides up from the 2nd fret to the 3rd fret on the D and back to the A. So slowly, that is. The trick actually, right, is in large part, is to play really hard with these 2 fingers, and you get that punch then. Right, it's the difference between this and people think it's a pedal, and it's, you know, he does have a kind of Sanzam thing, but it's not that. It's actually all in his hands. And listen to the difference between playing it like this, right? Or like he plays it. Okay, so little lesson there. So it comes out of that open A, 3rd fret on the A, 4th fret on the A, 5th fret on the A. Diddle down, diddle down, diddle down. So there's a little bit there. We'll play along to that. So from the top. That's at kind of 3:06 around that time, okay? Anyway, let's get the rest done in part 3. Thank you so much for hanging around. Sorry it's all scrappy, but I'm of a child off sick. Mrs. on her way back because protests have blocked up the town where she was going shopping. Just what a great time to be alive.